Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you on how to take money off hold on PayPal. Now on your PayPal dashboard, go to the activity section and then select the transaction that is on hold. Now click the add tracking info and then you want to change the order status to order processed or shipped, and if possible add tracking information, which is tracking number, and usually PayPal release funds within 1 day after delivery confirmation. You can also confirm your email address, link and confirm your bank account or credit or debit card to provide additional identity verification documents if requested. Now, if none of this works, you can wait for 21 days since it is the standard holding period of PayPal uses to protect both buyers and sellers in case of disputes, refunds, or chargebacks. And then that's it guys, I hope that this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.